Welcome to the AI Income Show, where AI meets opportunity. Discover the smartest tools and strategies to help you work less and earn more. Let's get started.
Welcome back to another episode of the AI Income Show. I'm your host, Pavel Rain, and today we're diving into a concept that's changing the way we automate in 2025 building AI agents with n8n. Have you ever wanted to create your own AI agents without any coding? Well, you're in for a treat. Helping us dissect this topic today is an AI automation strategist who excels in using tools like n8n to streamline growth for entrepreneurs and businesses. He's here to show us how to make technology do the heavy lifting. Welcome to the show, Galen Ash.
Thanks for having me, Pavel. I'm excited to talk about how incredibly accessible AI automation has become, especially with tools like n8n. We're living in a fascinating time where the intersection of no-code platforms and AI is opening doors for nearly everyone.
Absolutely. For those who might be new to this, let's start with the basics. What exactly is n8n?
n8n is an open-source, no-code automation tool that allows users to create powerful workflows without writing any code. Picture it as a Lego set for automation. You can build almost anything by connecting blocks, which in this case are integrations and commands. This is especially handy for entrepreneurs looking to streamline their operations without a tech team.
That Lego analogy paints a clear picture. So, what makes n8n particularly compelling for AI agents?
The beauty of n8n lies in its flexibility and extensive range of integrations. You can connect it with almost any service, like GPT-4 or other AI models, and automate a wide array of tasks. This makes it customizable for different use cases, from lead generation to customer support, fully powered by AI.
Let's unpack that a bit. Can you give examples of some popular use cases of AI agents built with n8n?
Definitely. One popular application is for lead generation. You can set up an AI agent that captures leads from your website and uses AI to qualify them before following up with tailored responses. Another example is integrating ChatGPT for customer support to handle common queries or even automate social media posts and responses based on engagement statistics.
That's fascinating. And what about more high-level operations like market research or sales funnel automation?
Market research becomes a breeze with n8n. You can set it up to scrape the web for competitor data, analyze market trends, and even flag business opportunities. As for sales funnel automation, you can automate each step from lead capture to final sale, all managed with AI, which personalizes customer interaction and increasing conversion rates.
It sounds like n8n offers an almost limitless playground for innovation. You mentioned AI integrations earlier. How does n8n perform when connecting with popular AI models like GPT-4 or Claude?
n8n is brilliant for integrating with APIs like GPT-4 or Claude. You can create autonomous workflows where, for example, user interactions trigger AI responses, or even use AI to perform sentiment analysis on customer feedback to prioritize support tickets. It reduces manual oversight and allows businesses to scale more smartly.
That's great. I love real-world examples. What does it look like for an entrepreneur to set up an AI agent with n8n in, say, lead generation?
Sure. Let's say you're an entrepreneur with a small e-commerce site. You could set n8n up to connect with your website's contact forms or chatbots, capturing details of potential customers. Then, using AI, the system automatically qualifies these leads based on their interaction, prioritizes them, and sends personalized email follow-ups. All of this can happen virtually unsupervised, making room for your team to focus on closing more deals.
Incredible. Let's dive into the monetization aspect now. How can listeners leverage these AI tools to build income streams?
There are a couple of ways. You could offer AI automation services as a freelancer or within an agency framework. Imagine setting up these workflows for other businesses. There's a huge demand for such expertise. Alternatively, you could build your own internal AI agents that optimize your business processes, reducing costs and time, thus scaling your business and its profits.
And for those building their businesses internally, it's like developing your own team of highly efficient, tireless workers, isn't it?
Exactly. These agents operate continuously and scale with demand. Imagine sales agents that never sleep or marketing specialists who instantly adapt to changing trends. This edge can be pivotal in fast-moving markets.
I can see how this would appeal to our listeners who are always on the lookout for productivity hacks. For those intrigued, how would you recommend they get started?
Start simple. Visit the n8n website, explore the documentation, and maybe try replicating a few community-created workflows. Start with automating daily tasks, And as you get comfortable, you can experiment with more complex integrations. The key is not to get overwhelmed. Take it one step at a time.
Great advice, Galen. We're nearing the end, but before we wrap up, what's your key takeaway for our audience today?
My key takeaway is that AI tools like n8n democratize access to technology. They put powerful automation in the hands of everyday creators and entrepreneurs. You don't need a background in coding or a tech team. Just creativity and a willingness to experiment can transform how you work.
Insightful words, Galen. For everyone listening, I've linked n8n and some other AI tools in the description. Be sure to check them out and start building your own AI agents today. Thanks once again, Galen, for sharing your expertise with us.
It's been a pleasure, Pavel. Anytime.
Thanks to all our listeners for tuning in. Join us next time for another episode of the AI Income Show, empowering you to harness AI for financial success. Until next time, stay innovative.
Thanks for joining the AI Income Show. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss the next AI-powered income opportunity. See you there.